You do know you're staring at it will not make it ring, right?
Yoofi promised to call. Why isn't he?
This Yoofi, aren't we becoming a trifle attached?
You know he's fun and a good listener. I just like his company, that's all.
Precisely my point. You cannot enjoy the company of somebody who's attached and expect to have him all to yourself. You don't do that. It's a dangerous mix, Chantal. You end up getting hurt very badly. I understand you perfectly. But just remember he has a fiancé. For goodness sake, and try talking to someone else.
Who?
Me, for instance. What's wrong with me?
You're not Yoofi.
What's the difference? I'm here 24/7.
Got boobs.
Oh.
Je veux mon Yoofi!
Madame! Oh, Madame! Oh, Madame! Oh, Madame! Madame!
Again, break.
Oh, Madam, let me help you. Let me help you with the keys.
Oh, so this key, I can help. I can handle
Madam,
it. This
don't
is
fear, not while I'm here. Akunta, the contagious one. Madam, let me help you.
Akunta, you are creating a scene.
Oh, Madam, scene is in the movie. It's in the movie. Oh, Madam, oh, let me help you. Madam, oh.
Hey, shh. Madam, you are welcome. Thank you, Sadia. Oh my God. See how my shop is clean. Akunta, you are doing well.
Oh, Madam.
Sadia, is he not doing well? Has Yoofi been here?
No, ma. He hasn't been here. Madam, please, can we continue yesterday's account? I'm ready.
Give me a second. I need to call him. Now Yoofi, I'm back. I'll be with you,
Hello, stranger.
I'm sorry, Chantal. I've been busy. Should have called sooner.
Oh, it's been long? I didn't notice. Anyway, how are you?
I'm doing good. Listen, I'm in your neighborhood. I was wondering if I could drop by.
Really? I'm by the poolside. Come right in. Welcome to my humble abode.
Thank you. This looks blissfully fun.
Join me, I'll pour you a drink.
Let me just wash my feet.
All right.
Get back to you.
Okay. Quelqu'un magnifique.
Excuse me, madam. Are you buying anything?
And so your business, sir.
I run the shop. Moreover, I have other customers to attend to.
Mary! Mary, I've told you not to come here. Eh? I told you I will see you at home.
What's home? Eh? Is it a crime to come to this shop? I want to buy something and this woman is busy harassing me here.
It's okay.
Hey, take this thing out of my shop before I lose my patience.
Eh? Akunta, let me show her. She no be besia basabasabi or no be kabefobi.
Oh, no. Okay, so oh, Nisuma. Baby. You don't respect you this Sadia. Who told you this is your shop?
Akunta or whatever you call yourself. I do not have time for substandard people like you. Idiot.
Okay. We shall see.
What do you mean?
We shall see.
And what do you mean?
Baby.
Who the hell are you?
Baby, wait there. Eh? What is this?
What?
Matt. Baby.
Next time when you say mistake.
Man, Kasa.
Don't do it
like
again.
that.
Don't
Stop
do
it.
Yo. Hello. What? His smile is a work of art.
I hope you don't do this around Simpson.
Hey, so that he will faint again. Well, I'm grateful for lunch. I must say this is sudden.
Yoofi and I had lunch plans, but he didn't show up. Neither did he call. See, I have tried calling him severally and yet he won't even pick up.
So I'm the substitute. Are you worried?
Of course. Yoofi, it's not like that. See, I detect some disinterest lately.
Oh, come off it. It's normal. He will come back. Give him some rope. That's what I didn't do with Simpson. Oh. I went chasing him all over the place. Now see where it has ended me. Has he been doing the thing?
You didn't just ask about that. Yoofi Padianepa, he does it every time.
You don't have a problem. Come on, let's eat. I would have been worried if he wasn't doing the thing. You don't want to have a hungry dog out there, my dear. Where's the sexy waiter? And the shop, how is he doing? The new boy.
I'm so glad I hired him. He's so helpful and nice.
Oh, then Sadia must be grateful for the help.
Sadia, Grace, I don't know if Finipano. See, I'm beginning to suspect this girl hates all men in general.
Hey! I am confused.
Me suspect you. I was here, baby.
Oh, Abiba, you didn't baby. Hey! I'm crying. And my man put you so. That's how the way so I can. Cow the canary. The canary. Say, you come, baby. Sadia, you. Oh, no, I'm not.
This is a very cozy place.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, I'm happy you like it. Irama and I, we try to create a homey place for ourselves.
That's good.
You're always welcome.
Thank you.
We were by the pool.
I can see that.
This is Yoofi.
Irama, you're as beautiful up close as I heard.
Oh, well, I have heard quite a lot about you.
Good ones, I hope.
Some. Chantal, I've got the movie. Let me know when you want to watch.
Okay.
A movie?
Yeah.
Bring it on.
Great, then I'll bring the cookies.
Good.
Okay, ma'am.
Chantal, please, can I have my phone, please?
No phone allowed in the cinema room.
I might miss an important call.
Come on, you can always call back.
She always falls asleep before the end of the day. I'm turning in now.
Okay.
Her room is there. We're on the lift. Have a good night, Yoofi.
I had a good time.
And where do you think you're going?
Baby, you know I'm going to work.
Do you call that work? Huh? And where is the money you promised me 2 days ago?
We will talk when I get back from work.
What kind of a working man are you? Are you not paid? Huh?
Yes.
And what kind of a man is okay being a sales boy? Listen, if you can't provide for me, I'll leave you.
Oh. Baby, stop talking like this. You know how much I love you. Eh? You can't leave me. I'm doing all this I'm doing. All for you. Baby, all for you. Baby, all for you. Mary, all for you. Baby, all for you. Saucha mia mewu. Saucha mia mewo. Saucha mia mewo. All for you. Baby.
See my hair? Hmm?
I've seen it.
Just take a look at my hair, Akunta.
I've seen it.
Ordinary 400 cedis for Brazilian weave. You cannot bring, yet you said you love me.
Hey. Maybe I said I'll find you, but baby, see, okay, I'll give it to you today, okay? Please just calm down, eh? Calm down for me. Tell me, I don't come in corner, eh? Oh, that's why I love you, baby. Hey, blood of Jesus, I can't come in. Oh, Mary, baby. So be do I don't be. If you see my way or the code your door. Oh, ain't it so me more yeah. So be do I don't be. Mary, if you feel me po. So what's it now, bro?
refill later.
Oh!
All right, thank you. Bye.
Oh, please have a seat. Madam, I hope everything is fine.
Everything is okay.
Oh, nice.
How are you?
Oh, madam, I'm doing great.
Akunta, come. Did you say Yoofi hasn't been here and when you know, Maha?
Madam, no. At times, some people don't know what they've got,
Hey!
madam.
Stop right there.
Madam, see.
Hey, stop it. Get me Sadia and stop the theatrics. I don't
Hey. Sadia. Sadia.
Yes.
Madam,
Madam, you call. Yeah. That's fine. No call. I need you to do me a favor. Please pay this money into my account for me, right? 1,500 Ghana. Okay, madam, let me bring my purse. Okay. Thank you. Okay, madam. Okay, 1,500. Please, Tracy, can you see you? The last one. Why? Okay, madam. Okay, madam. See you. Okay, good. Okay. Idiot. Don't you know where the rack is?
Oh, your shirt will be perfect for it. Why? Will you give it to me?
Foolish boy.
What have I done? Best night's sleep I've had in a while, but that has to be nothing but a coincidence. I have a fiancé. I have a fiancé.
Open your eyes, I know you're awake.
I had a great night's sleep. I hope you did too.
Abiba!
What?
Wow. I'm surprised she hasn't called. Oh, she has. Where's my phone?
It's on the table.
How could this happen?
Sadia, it was 1,500 Ghana cedis I gave you. And you're here telling me it's not with what? 980. What happened to my 520?
Madam, please. It's true. That's all the night, so I'm not lying.
Also, I am lying.
Oh, Sadia! Why would you do such a thing? Hey!
I didn't take the money. I didn't steal it, madam. Please believe me. I can't steal it.
Madam, I don't believe this girl. All these things she do, it be crocodile tears.
Believe it might have been him. In fact, I didn't even count the money before I
Me?
got to the bank.
Oh, me! Auntie Abiba, see how she wants to drag me in the machine thing. Eh? Auntie, why would you do that?
Hey! Stop this! Hey, Mummy, get me my money. I don't care. You can kill yourself. May what man for me sick of mommy out.
Madam, I didn't take the money. Auntie Abiba.
Sadia,
No, I don't believe this.
Grace, I counted it my 1,500 Ghana cedis. Me and I'm the man is on Fanko too.
But Abiba, Sadia can't do this. I don't believe Sadia would do. So what about the new boy?
Who? Akunta. You've not met him. See, the guy is good, hardworking. Just oh, dear. He wants to do it.
Abiba, you still trust people. Oguadie, respectful. Cram my home brasier respectful. Fan full respect. Eh? Anyway, do you know what? Let's take them to the tabernacle. Hey! Tabernacle, hold you bet you feeling. The thief will be caught.
See, right now, I don't even know what to do. First, it was Yoofi, now Sadia.
Oh, Abiba. Yoofi again. What has he done this time?
Ha! The thief is home. Grace, let me dash home right now. Maybe I'll see you. Right.
Hey, Abiba, what's happening to my friend? Thief.
Quoi? Pourquoi tu me regardes comme ça?
Well, now that you got what you wanted, you must be very happy with yourself.
I got nothing. Nothing happened. Je sais pas ce que tu vas imaginer, je dis qu'il n'y a rien qui s'est passé.
Oh, hold up. Are you telling me that the two of you slept in the same bed the whole night and absolutely nothing happened?
Yeah.
Not even a little,
I said nothing. I slept like a baby. The guy is a perfect gentleman.
He doesn't look it. He looks like a lion, ready to devour.
Well, when I woke up, he had held me with his crush to my bum.
Ooh, that's more like it. Is it love though?
Definitely not. The moment he woke up, he screamed, Abiba! The next minute, he had jumped into his shoes and was running off.
You don't mean it. Running away just like that.
Je te dis, le gars, il est traumatisé.
Oh, ne dis pas ça.
Franchement, si c'est ça dans une relation, moi, je préfère être célibataire.
Stop. Come on, stop. It's not worth it.
Why? Have you seen a ghost?
I thought you had left. The scream, what happened?
Oh. Is that all you have to say? And wait, what are you doing in my bathroom?
Your bathroom?
Why didn't you bath at wherever you slept? Oh, I get it. Sleep at one place and bath at the other?
Abiba, you know what? About yesterday I can explain.
No. Save me the lies. You know what? I want you to move to your place till you know what you want to do with your life.
enter Kolo. That's all. Make her enter Kolo.
Pass me the palm wine.
Somebody enter Kolo. See everybody. Make you hold somebody. Drink and jolly. Tell me how you feeling. Is it sexual healing? Or you feeling irate? This what we dey do before we do the show. Make you move your body where the music they go. Skolo.
Somebody enter Skolo.
And you never see.
Make I enter, make I go ahead. And if you know they feel my matter, Charlie, make you go away. I no get time where I just go on through way. So make I bust a lyric, we go inside into your head. Kumbaya, on fire. And I'll make the beat.